It's a beautiful... Whoa, look. There's a man cleaning a car. Let's go look at him. Sir, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning the snow off the car. A lot of people use those little girly wipers. This is the way to do it with a big, huge push-pull broom.
Does that harm the paint on the car?
It's the same soft bristles
Okay.
that you brush your teeth with. The thing is, I grew up in Vermont, so we had to develop these advanced techniques. Look at, I can push, I can pull, I can push, or I can pull. Look at, push and pull, push, pull.
You seem very talented.
Push.
Bianca, this is the rest of the neighborhood. There we go. There's Susie and Artie's house. They're building a huge addition.
Sarah, get this little, the depth here, the depth.
Oh,
how much
okay.
snow we got.
David wants you to see how much snow we got. You ready?
I'm saying that's 7 inches.
He's saying 7 inches. The rest of the street, beautiful, but oddly not really on the roads. It's a heavy snow on some places. Woo! And then there we go, there's the neighbor. Okay. Bye, honey.